Hi guys, this is a different kind of video. I wanted to share with you guys how I make bread, and this is a very simple recipe. And this is just a quick bread that I'm making. Well, bread technically is not quick because you have to let it rise, but just pulling some ingredients together because the boys want fresh bread. Jordan loves toast. Well, everybody in this house loves toast and butter and tea. So let me show you quick. I'm gonna do um, 3.5 cups of light flour, but I'm going to use all-purpose flour. That's wheat flour there. This here, excuse my nails, this is grounded flaxseed, which I sneak in, and this is wheat germ. I may put some oats, but just a handful. In this jar, well, my measuring cup, I have 1 cup of 1% milk with 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of yeast. And I'm just letting this proof in the meantime. I'm going to put over my flour into a mixer. Now, you can knead this in hand, and they do recommend that you, after you mix your bread, you knead it with your hand. I don't have time for that today because I'm doing laundry and a bunch of cleaning up, again, like I always do. But that's 3.5 cup of the stuff I'm putting in. I may not put oats because I don't have it here with me. I have to go back in the pan. I did put a pinch of salt. We're not very big on like having a lot of salt. And you're gonna start mixing this and roll. I forgot to tell you, you're gonna have to put in oil or butter. I'm gonna put in oil today, and that's just about a 1/4 cup. I'm boiling this, of course, and then I'm gonna actually pour in my yeast mixture. Yeast mixture is in and it's needed. Now I have some 1% milk. Are still available close by in case I need to add liquid. I also have water just in case I have to add both. So I've added about 1/4 cup of milk, and I'm more than likely to add a 1/4 cup of water. I like my dough really soft, and I find that when my dough is really soft, that's when I get really nice and soft bread. I did add another 1/2 cup of liquid, so 1.5 cup of liquid you know. I've never really added this much, well, wheat flour. I've usually added wheat bran, and I will add like about 1/4 cup of wheat bran, but this time I used 1/2 cup of wheat flour. So I'm just gonna let this mix for 5 minutes, set it on a timer, and start cooking away all my other ingredients. I'm bringing out my pan. After 2 minutes of mixing, this is what it looks like. So after 5 minutes of mixing, I did add in the blueberries. And the pumpkin seed. So that's why I see fresh berries at the bottom. In case you're wondering, I've heard when you're kneading bread, it should not go more than 2. No, 3, no 4. I think they recommend you don't go higher than 4. But this is 2. So this has been going for about maybe 7 minutes now because I added the fruit enough. I have blueberries, sometimes I put blackberries, cranberries. I do have dried cranberries, but blueberries is something we all eat. Pumpkin seed also blueberry has antioxidants, which are super healthy for us at this time. I've taken out the hook, and you can see it came out pretty clean. This is the bowl I'm gonna use, and you want to put some oil in it. I don't know why it's not focusing properly, but yeah, you want to put some oil in your bowl, and I generally put a little on my hand as I take it out of there, but you can see we have a little.
Mom, this is so squishy.
Yes, he's always here with me.
Mom, can I help you?
Yes, you can help me, definitely.
Pull it out?
Not yet, because I want to smudge the oil all around there.
And then I can pull it out?
Yes, absolutely.
I'll use...
Jordan has an important question he was asking me. Jordan?
Mom, I don't want to tell them.
You don't want to tell them? Tell them.
No, that's my secret.
That's your secret. Jordan's question to me was, why do they call bread
Mom,
bread?
okay.
Anybody knows why they call bread bread?
Mom, Mom, can you push this?
I'll push it just a second.
Okay.
So I oil the bowl, and
Mom, can you help me turn this?
just a second, and then I'm just gonna put cling and cover it, and I'm actually gonna place it in the oven because that should be the warmest place right now in my house. Alexa, what's the temperature?
Mom, can I have water nice? Mom, can I have
Now
water?
63. We woke up this morning to 42. So the
Mom,
oven
can I get
definitely will
water?
be good.
Can I have water?
Yes, you may have some water. On a side note, I thought I'll share with you guys stuff I picked from the garden. So we have kale, mint, because I'm going to make some tea. Another type of kale. This is dinosaur kale, but I picked the baby leaves. This is red Russian kale. Some cilantro, a couple carrots, baby carrots. Those are little fingers. Then over in the sink, we have parsley, which we have a ton. Some lettuce, we have a bunch of varieties, and the rest of this is actually peas. Every day we get almost a pound of peas, snap peas and shelling peas. I grew like six. You want shelling peas? I grew about 6 to 8 different varieties, so I don't know what. This is what it looks like after an hour and a half. I just gently put it on the counter, knead it for like 10 seconds, grease my pan, put it in, then cover the pan with cling. This is what it looks like after about 45 minutes. Usually I will let this rise for an hour and a half, but I didn't have that time on me, so I had to take it out and get it set to bake. I baked it at 350 for 30 minutes, and this is pretty much how it looked after I finished baking. I let it sit in the pan for about 10 minutes to cool off a little bit, and then I take it out of the pan and put it in a cooling rack or in a towel to cool. Alright guys, so that's the bread cut. Making sandwiches this morning. I hope you guys enjoy. And thanks. Let me share, if you can share your recipes. I will do just a regular white bread because someone did request that, and also do another bread showing you if you need it what's different. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope my little recipe was helpful and that you will try it, and if you do, let me know. Until next time, bye bye.